The ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delit Sahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Seminar on objective of situation in the homeland Ibaran subzone. Eritrean in various countries celebrated Independence Day anniversary. Russia, China, North Korea condemns $175 billion Trump's Golden Dome missile shields. And China denies allegations of supplying arms. Now, local news. Brigadier General Eritrea, commander of the Western Command of the Eritrean Defense Forces, conducted a seminar on 27th May in Barantu subzone. The seminar was attended by army commanders, heads of line ministries, PFDJ officials, and representatives of national associations under the team Our Creation, Our Armor. Brigadier General Eyob stated that Eritrean people under the leadership of EPLF emerged victorious and secured their independence and national sovereignty, foiling internal and external hostiles, passing through complex and grueling stages. Highlighting that national development and security can only be achieved through these noble values, he called on all concerned to exert strong efforts to transfer them to a younger generation. Noting that strengthening Eritrean identity should not be left to specific institutions alone, Brigadier General Eyob urged the youth to be equipped with clear objectives, work ethics, and convictions, and play a frontline role implementing national development programs. The participants emphasized the importance of the seminar and called on similar session to be organized for members of the defense forces and the youth. Eritrean nationals in Uganda, Italy, Norway, Denmark, Finland, and the United States have celebrated 34th Independence Day anniversary with patriotic zeal under the team Our Creation, Our Armor. The celebration in Kampala on 23rd May was attended by over 2,000 nationals. Mr. Mohammed Suleiman, Eritrean ambassador, said this year's theme reflects the preservance and commitment of Eritrean people in achieving independence and safeguarding national sovereignty. He also extended congratulations to the people in the government of Eritrea. The event featured sports competitions, children's village, as well as cultural and artistic programs. Nationals in Italia's cities of Milan, Bologna, Florence, Turin, Naples, Palermo, and other enthusiastically celebrated 34th Independence Day anniversary on 25th May. Likewise, nationals in various cities across Sweden, Norway, Denmark, and Finland marked 34th Independence Day anniversary with patriotic fervor, featuring diverse programs and commemorate the occasions. At the celebration event in Stockholm on 24th May, Mr. Mohammed Saeed Mohammed Ali, charged the affairs at the Eritrean Embassy for Scandinavian countries, called on the nationals to equip themselves with necessary knowledge and skills to play an active role in national affairs. Nationals in Los Angeles and surrounding areas also celebrated 34th Independence Day anniversary with a variety of programs. The Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare in Adukhala subzone has rehabilitated disadvantaged citizens with material support worth 10,000 nakfa each. Mr. Sagit Siyum, head of the office branch, stated that beneficiaries' families were identified through their respective administrative areas, and he said the support aimed to help disadvantaged citizens become self-sufficient and productive members of the society. In a related news, support was also extended to citizens living in intellectual and developmental disabilities in Adukhala subzone. The beneficiaries' families, while expressing appreciation for the support provided, voiced their readiness to work hard, become self-supportive, and serve the role models in their communities. The viewers will be back with the international news shortly. Stay tuned. Welcome back. A key document guiding the next 20 years of Association of the South Asian National Grouping was unveiled on Monday following its endorsement by association leaders gathering at the 46th Zion Summit. Among the key decisions made under the Declaration of Formal Adoptions of ASEAN Community Vision 2045 and its accompanying strategic plans across 4 pillars, namely political security, economic, sociocultural, and connectivity. Established in 1967, the group includes Buryan, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, and Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. On our last news, a British man has been arrested on Monday after he drove his minivan into a parade of Liverpool soccer fans celebrating their team's victory in the Premier League Championship. Nearly 50 people were injured in the crash, including several children, with ambulance services saying 27 of them were taken to a hospital for treatment. Police have not yet released any additional details about the driver and his motivation. It also not clear how man was also able to drive at the crowd through the street that was closed for cars. According to the reports, such as act of terrorism attacking a crowd of people by cars is increasing from time to time. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Seminar on the objective situation in the homeland Barantu subzone. Eritrea in various countries celebrated Independence Day anniversary. Russia, China, and North Korea condemns $175 billion Trump Golden Dome missile shield. And China denies Ukrainian allegation of supplying arms. That wraps up our stories for tonight. Thanks for watching and have a good night.